the Tranya T3 Sports Wireless Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will be taking a look at the Tranya T3 Sports Earbuds. These are advertised to have deep bass and long battery life, and they are very inexpensive. I will go over the specs, provide microphone samples, and give my final thoughts on them. The company sent this out for me to review, and as always, I provide my honest and unbiased opinions in my reviews. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. They come in a very nice packaging, and inside you get the user guide, various ear tip sizes, and a micro USB cable for charging. And just to go over some specs, it has 6 to 8 hours of listening time, 60 hours total with the case. It uses Bluetooth 5.0, micro USB for charging, it has button controls, and it's IPX5 sweatproof. The charging case is a small compact size. The top lid has a glossy, smooth finish, and the bottom half of the case has a matte finish that provides a good grip. On the front of the case, you have the LED charge status indicator. And on the back, you have the micro USB charging port. Opening the lid, you will see the magnet on the top that secures it. You can also see the left and right markings for the earbuds in the case. And they are also held into place by magnets. The earbuds are small and plastic all around, with a glossy outer button. Each earbud has the following. You have the button control, microphone, interchangeable ear tips, and the LED status. Accessing the controls are done by pressing the outer button. The right side controls are as follows. Press once for play, pause, end call, or next track. Press 2 times for volume up. Press 3 times for voice assistant, and hold down for 2 seconds to reject a call. And the left side are as follows. Press once for play, pause, end call, previous track. Press 2 times for volume down. Press 3 times for voice assistant, and hold down for 2 seconds to reject a call. The case comes in at 2.8 by 1.8 by 1.3 inches. Weight-wise, the case comes in at 44 grams, and the earbuds come in at 11 grams. And now here is a microphone sample of the T3s. This is a test of the Tranya T3 earbuds. This is the microphone from the Tranya T3 earbuds. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. As far as video latency, I didn't experience any. And you can also use the earbuds in mono or stereo. So here are my thoughts on the Tranya T3 earbuds. And I always start off by saying that sound can be subjective, and everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. It was fairly comfortable, and the design made it easy to put in the ears, and it just fit well for me. Having the multiple sizes of ear tips helps in the correct fitting. Build quality is okay for what you would expect at this price point. The lid on the case does feel a bit light and flimsy, and the buttons do attract a lot of fingerprints. When it comes to sound, this doesn't disappoint and I was very surprised. Starting off with the lows, it had nice deep bass. It didn't sound overblown or muddy. The details in the mids were about average, and highs were smooth. The T3s also stayed into place while running, and it felt secure. These earbuds are good for those that like extra bass in their listening experience. The IPX5 sweatproof, along with the price point, make these earbuds perfect for the active lifestyles. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.